Hello, I'm Elise. Welcome to Connection Meditations. Today, I want to talk to the mothers out there who perhaps have their kids in lockdown with them. This is for you. So let's go into 3 steps of what to do during a meltdown, either with yourself or your kids, and how we can create little tiny doses of meditation in our day. Just tiny little doses that will help us to move from chaos within us, frustration, anger, and into a more connected, intimate, space holding type energy within us, right? In order to get to that, we need to pause, right? So I'll go through these stages. So step 1 is to feel your feet against the floor. So often we teach this with people who are anxious, right? So meditation teachers will lead you through using your feet as an anchor. If you're anxious, if you suffer from post-traumatic stress syndrome disorder, if you you're finding you're quite an anxious person, it's very helpful to feel your feet against the floor. It's like grounding. And it doesn't matter what type of floor you're on, it works, right? Just feeling that, oh, okay, I'm here, I'm present. You're not stuck in the mindset of going, oh, how dare they, or whatever the thought process is. I go there too, so don't worry. And then feeling the whole body. Just feel the whole body. You don't have to worry about going into it at that point, because you might have a kid about to hurt someone else or whatever the situation is, right? So you can't go off. You've got to be present. We get that. As mums, we get that. And we've got to diffuse the situation. So then, once we feel the whole body, and then it's, what's my breath doing, right? And it's wham, 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 1, 2, 3. It's what I call a trifecta. In any situation with my kids, in order to have that stability, right? That calmness, to be able to diffuse a situation very quickly between my 2 boys, which is always fascinating. That's the trifecta that works, right? Mini doses of meditation. 1 is feeling your feet on the floor. 2 is feeling your whole body at the same time. 3, what's your breath doing? Now, just bringing your focus to these things calms you down immediately and enables you to move out of that, that situation where you might be tense, right? And then that can open you up to this other aspect that's really important, is the pause. Pausing before acting or reacting, because we want to respond. When you react, you're at the same level of consciousness as the situation is. Bang, react. You could be yelling, you could be angry. And as we know, if anger is matched with something else, you're not in control of the situation the way a parent really could be. So we just take that pause, stop, and then that leads into creating the space to then be able to connect deeply and intimately with our child, coming down to their level. There's no way we can be intimate and interact with them if they're flailing their arms and are aggressive, or just wailing and crying. There's no way in. And so we meet that with our own openness. We deal with this within ourselves, and they will match it. So mini meditations. And when I say creating space, it's an actual thing that starts to happen. You can feel it when you start putting these steps into place. You start putting things into practice. Then it helps you to feel like there's space within, to be able to adjust to any situation, to be less rigid, right? To be more lateral thinking, which, oh my goodness, as mums, we really do need. So hopefully these mini meditations can help you survive the lockdowns with your children, and hopefully everyone can start to move from surviving into thriving together. All right, I'll talk to you next time. See you then. Bye.